How to allow or block digital assistant app to analyze on-screen images on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. After that, tap on choose default apps. Then go down and tap on digital assistant app. From here, tap on analyze on-screen images. Tap on the toggle button to allow or deny the digital assistant app to analyze on-screen images. And here's the allow digital assistant app to take and use images off the screen. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.